Dear friends, if you want perfect harmony in this world, and you see that all the people are wise, enlightened, they follow the path of truth, justice, peace, love, and non-violence. Kindness, compassion, honesty, integrity, humility, generosity, cooperation, and loyalty towards self, towards the society, towards the Mother Earth, because the whole earth has become united today because of the scientific inventions and discoveries. You will be the enlightened one, and if you spread those beautiful messages of peace and tranquility in every heart and soul and mind of every human being, 8 billion maybe, we can really live very happily in perfect harmony. Today, the turbulent world where there is a war and there is a threat of World War III, Putin, the president of Russia, is threatening the NATO and the American heads of the states because they are intervening in Ukraine and they are trying to establish the NATO alliance forces at the boundary of Russia. Then what you need? The need of the hour is that you have to learn to follow the path of peace. We must move forward in perfect harmony and peace. We must speak in unison, universal truth and peace. We saturate our mind with noble thoughts, equanimous, affectionate, kind, compassionate, generous, forgiveness, and trying to be united. But one cannot do that. All have to learn this. Further, dear friends, we have to learn from the wisest of the wise. And the story remains the same. Our goal, our aim, our ambition, our path is just towards the welfare of everyone, the happiness of everyone. Nobody should be unhappy, nobody should be ignorant, nobody should be starving, nobody should be in the crisis. And the biggest crisis is ignorance, indolence, thoughtlessness, groveling thoughts of the human being. The world is turbulent because the bestial, ignorant, foolish people who are greedy. Greed has poisoned men's soul, has barricaded the world in hate, has goosed the state into misery, bloodshed, and wars. We have become very clever, and that has made us unkind. We think too much, greed, selfishness, hegemonistic, egoistic approach, and we feel too little. We don't have sympathy, love and affection for the other sisters and brothers of this world. We don't have any kind of affinity towards birds with animal, plants and humans. We want self-centered motive, I and mine and never yours. You should perish, but I should prosper, like Hitler, like Alexander, like all the demons who invaded different parts of the world, assassinated, murdered, raped, conquered, vanquished, destroyed the civilization, shattered every kind of greatness. Everything was smashed by such demon. That attitude has to be abandoned in this modern 21st century. And this is possible once we really recite some of the verses from the Vedanta, which might quite privilege that before you I present the verse 191 from Vedanta, Rig Veda, which is teaching you, let's walk in perfect harmony towards peaceful living, coexistence. We should speak the same, kindness, compassion, and so on and so forth. We should saturate our mind with noble thoughts. That is truth, justice, peace, love, and non-violence, kindness, compassion, honesty, integrity, humility, generosity, cooperation, loyalty towards every creature. And then we can really bring the heaven on earth. Otherwise, our cleverness will make us hard and unkind. Our machinery, which gives us abundance, will left us in want. More than machinery, we need humanity. More than cleverness, we kindness and gentleness and generosity. And if we are not developing this attitude, all will be lost. World War III at the doorstep. The planet Mother Earth, which has room for everyone, which can provide for everyone, will be just destroyed, a graveyard for every citizen of the world. Arise, awake, and the way stop not till we have achieved that goal. And this verse, aphorism or sloka from Vedanta 191 will help you and guide you. Let's recite this. Sammo manasi janatam samgachadvam sambadadvam sammo manasi janatam deva bhagam yatha purve sanjanana upasate SAMGACHADWAM SAMBADADWAM SAMO MANASI JANATAM No mantra samiti samani samanam manasah chitta vesham nam mantram अभिमन्त्रये ओ समानेन हविषा जुहोमि समानो मन्त्रः समितिः समानी समानं मनः सह चित्तमेषां मानं मन्त्रम् अभिमन्त्रये वह समानेन वो हविषा जुहोमि संगच्छध्वं संवदध्वं सम्मो मनासि जानताम् मानीवाकूति समाना हृदयानि वह मानमस्तु मनो यथा वह सुसहासति समानीवाकूति समाना हृदयानि वह समानमस्तु मनो यथा वह सुसहासति संगच्छध्वं संबदध्वं सम्मो मनासि जानताम् संगच्छध्वं संबदध्वं सम्मो मनासि जानताम् संगच्छध्वं संबदध्वं समो मनसि जानताम्. Dear friends, the meaning is, let's walk together, let's speak together, let's keep our mind balanced throughout the journey of our life, and let us devote us just like the divine power towards attaining the supreme success for every creature, birds, fish, animal, plants and humans. Our heart, mind, soul and body must be united. Physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, we should be synchronized like the laser beam towards one goal: health for all, happiness for all, prosperity for all. That is Sarve Bhantu Sukhina Sarve Shantu Nirama Sarvhadrani Pasyantu Ma Kasit Dukhma Bhave Asado Ma Sadgamyo Tamso Ma Jyoti Gamyo Mrityu Ma Amritam Gamyo. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Vishwa Shanti, Jan Kalyan. Dhanyavad. Thank you.